Okay, so welcome to this video on 2017 Section A higher level question A7. So the figure shows the elevation and plan view of a fuel bunker. A 3D graphic of the bunker is also shown. Project an auxiliary elevation of the bunker on the line, the X1, Y1 line, to show the true shape of surface S. So here's surface S as an edge, and it appears as an edge because this line on the surface appears as a point. So if you want to see the true shape of something, you need to look perpendicular to it. Like so here in this model here, if we want to see the true shape of this here, we got to look perpendicular to it. So that's essentially the auxiliary elevation there, what we see. Right, so the view is projected onto a plane perpendicular to your line of sight. So there's the view projected onto it. Why is my colour behind? Now, so the points are projected, okay, from plan view. They appear as projected from plan view. The points are projected from plan view. And the heights remain the same as they do in elevation. The heights remain the same. Okay, so this is what it looks like with colour on. And this is what it looks like with hidden detail on the model. Okay, so you have your edges, here and hidden detail line. Let's have a quick look at the marking scheme. Alright, so we project perpendicular to the XY line, we take the heights from elevation, we complete the bunker with heavy and hidden detail. Right, so okay, going to line my set square up with surface S or the X1, Y1 line, either or. Okay, now we're going to project our lines from plan. Okay, so we'll do that. So as said, project your lines from plan view. An auxiliary elevation, the projection lines are always taken from plan. Alright. Now, the height will come from elevation. Okay, so now we can get our heights from our XY line up to our elevation, and we can transfer them to the X1, Y1 line. So I'm going to take this height here, so I'm going to mark that on one of the projection lines. Take the second height here, okay, mark it on the projection line, and then I'm going to go parallel to the X1 and Y1 line with a light line. Okay, now surface S, so let's just focus on surface S first. It appears as an edge here. So this point in plan is here in elevation, here in 3D. So we're going to follow it up. There's the height of it there. It hits the bottom here. So we're going to join it to the bottom. Now, so I have that line drawn. Look at this one here now. That's it as a point in plan and goes up to that height. So there we go, and now we can connect the points. So there's the true shape of surface S. Now let's target this surface here. here it is in plan. Look, that point there is right up and right there. Okay, that point right up there. There we go. And we can connect them together. Now, oh sorry, I was a bit off there with that line. That line there at the back is, so this one is hidden detail. And then then we have a heavy detail line from here to here. So that's our question complete. We'll have a quick look at the model again. So there's our model. Here's the colour on. There's it in 3D.